concept is what's new in future. What are new features in Python 3? First one is the future import. By using this future import module, the Python 3 integrated the new features from Python 2 to Python 3. That's about the in future module. And next module is the future import as a syntax. And next feature in Python 3 is print function. How can the monitor display, how can the output display the monitor screen in Python 3 is like this. Print is a function and it is a keyword, and the message that we are going to display on the monitor screen is enclosed in parentheses and within the double quotes, that is hello world. That is this enclosed in double quotes, that is. And next one is the reading. How can Python read input from keyboard? How can it read inputs from the keyboard? Is like this. Python 3, it takes the input from the keyboard like this. This is the way to read the keyboard. X is equal to some, we can enter from keyboard input or something, then it takes from input from keyboard